everyone, it's Mari. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do an unboxing or a share of the new Felicity Jane kit. It is the Mari kit and it's so fun, I just have to say, to have a kit that has the same name as me. And I have a little story about that. So growing up, I could never find anything that had my name on it. So my name is fairly unique. I mean, it's not like no one else has the name. Of course, other people have the same name as me, but it is a little bit different. And my parents would go somewhere shopping or whatever, and sometimes they would bring home things with the other kids' names on them, because that was a thing growing up in the 70s and 80s, like pencils with your name on them, or a little ID bracelet with your name on it, or whatever. And they could never find anything with my name on it. And so when I saw this kit, I was like, oh, wow, that is super cool, because guess what? I now have a stamp with my name. I think that's so fun. And so when I saw that Gina had come out with this kit, and this kit is totally me, like it is all the well, every Felicity Jane kit is, because I love their kits. They're my absolute top, very first, most favorite kits that are out there. But they're the style of the kits are very much like my style of scrapbooking and creating and different projects that I make. So when I saw this, I just thought, oh gosh, like I am going to load up on that and get all kinds of extras. So I definitely did. I really blew my budget and bought lots of extras. So super, super sweet. When you get one of the Felicity Jane kits, you always get one of these little cards in it that is a thank you. Super sweet, and just gives a little bit of social media information about Felicity Jane. This is the Mari girl. She's really adorable. I wish I looked like that girl. I do not, however, but we do have the same name, so that's fun. The kits also come with a strip with the paper pack that shows all of the different patterns on the paper. This is really super fun because you can use this as an embellishment piece for your different projects, which I did on the last layout that I did with my last kit. And I did share that one as well. I think I used this as a photo mat for my photo for that last layout. Look at these papers, you guys. They are just so stunning. This peony paper is just everything. I'm crazy about it. I love the pink combined with the green. It's a beautiful combination. And then this really neutral little tiny bloom as well. This one is called Floral and Window Pane. And on the back, of course, is the window pane. One of my very most favorite things about Felicity Jane is the white. So, you know, it's like a beautiful bright white that's combined with the different patterns in the kits. And that's not always really super easy to find. And it's definitely one of the things that I really love about Gina's kits. So beautiful floral. Love it, love it, love it. This one is called Wood Grain and Dotted Line. So we have this beautiful light wood grain on this side, and on the back, the dots in all of the different colors that are part of the Mari kit. So really pretty. I love that. Really soft blues and the pinks, everything. Just so beautiful. This is just a beautiful Swiss dot. Love that green. Again, that beautiful, beautiful green. And then on the back is the notebook paper. How good is that? So fun. I know Gina's done this paper in a couple of other collections in the past. And I remember a layout that I did with this paper in the past that was a Mother's Day layout with the kids making me pineapple pancakes. That's what this paper actually reminds me of, is that layout. I love this type of paper. So much fun to use as a background. This one, again, just beautiful. This is Gingham and Butterflies. And I did get 3 packs of this paper, and I'm so glad, because like, how do you decide when you have this on one side and look at these beautiful butterflies on the other? Like, that's just a really hard choice. So I definitely had to have more than one of these papers. Beautiful. Gingham and Butterflies, so gorgeous. This one's called Spots and Hearts. Beautiful, beautiful tone on tone dot. It's got, I think, three different size dots on it. And on the back, it's hearts. And again, that vintage, typical, traditional black and white print on the B side of lots of the different papers with that scallop edge at the bottom. I love how this one is aqua, which looks so nice with the black. Really pretty. This is tiny floral and chevron. Gorgeous, really gorgeous. And on the back, the large chevron print, that black and white. And then you get some cardstock. So there's the bright pink with the kind of like a sherbet orange color on the back. I love that. So soft. It's really pretty. Again, that beautiful spring green and then a really soft yellow. So you got 2 sheets of cardstock, 4 different colors. So there you see. Yes, I did. I got 3 paper packs. And the thing is, the paper packs are really inexpensive. It's $8.99 or something like that for a paper pack. I don't know. Yeah, how can you go wrong? I also ordered an extra paper pack of the Julia paper. That was the month before kit, and I, for whatever reason, didn't double up on the papers. I always like to order an extra paper pack, and I hadn't done that, so I made sure I did that this time, so I have an extra Julia. So now all of the goodies that go along with. So this is the Mari Girl. So this does not come with the kit, I don't believe. I think you can purchase this separately. I don't always buy the girl stamp, but this time I definitely wanted to for that Mari stamp. And actually, you get that Mari stamp in the stamp set that comes with the kit as well. This little stamp that says Mari on it, which I did not know, but I don't care because I really wanted that girl anyhow. And so I did get 2 of the chipboard shape packs. And these are all of the shapes that you get in there. So lots of hearts with this one. You get 1 of those florals, the large florals with the peony, and then some smaller ones. Really sweet. Love those colors. Really super cute. And what I really love about the chipboard from Felicity Jane is it's not super, super thick. You see, it's dimensional, but it's not crazy dimensional. So I love that about their chipboard. It's beautiful. So I've got 2 of those. Also with the Mari kit, something that I haven't seen before, but maybe I just, didn't get a certain kit when this happened before, but you actually get 6x6 white cardstock with the scallop edge. So I think that's so great. And this is really good too for making cards. So perfect. And it's a nice, really nice weight. So that is good. Also, I did grab a couple of die cut packs from this kit. So the Mari die cuts are these pieces here. Super cute. I love that there's some frames in here. There are lots of different shapes. Let's just take a look. We get a scallop. Lots of labels as always, which I love. There's a couple of really fun little frames. And the die cuts are a nice weight as well. So there's a label with sentiment on it already, and then blanks that you can stamp on. There's a large word spring, which is fun, and that beautiful floral piece. And then lots of other little bits. There's a butterfly, there's a couple of ampersands, a tag, an arrow, and oftentimes we get these little mini tags, which are really super fun. And then there's a couple of other larger tags. Some other little banner pieces, some stars. So super fun. So that is the die cut pack. I also picked up a couple of bows. These are not part of the kit. You have to buy these separately, but I love them. They always sell out. So if you love bows, you kind of got to get in there and get them while they're in stock. I also got a couple of the tabs, and these are amazing. I love those. Look you get 10 in the pack. All those different patterns. Super sweet. I got lots of those. I got a couple of packs of the butterflies. Of course, this comes in the kit, but I ordered an extra. And these are just really sweet because they're made out of vellum, and they have sewing in the center. You could even add these to another layer if you wanted. You could cut trace and cut another layer of pattern paper or something to go on behind. So super, super cute. That's that other chipboard. Here's a stamp set that is really fun because it has got so many sentiments in it. And they're all smaller ones. So they're going to fit perfectly on those labels. So sweet, beautiful, enjoy the little things, life right now, love this, life is good, this moment, good times, tons of sentiments in there. So really great. I love that. These are just so sweet. Get in the kit, there's these two little bows, two little fabric bows, and they are grow grain ribbon, I believe. And so you get the really pretty green and then the pink. So those match up beautifully with the kit. Then also I did pick up an extra set of the chipboard alpha, but these do come in the kit and they've just got like a really pretty light pink line on them. So you get lots of vowels and you get lots of numbers. You get some hashtags and some apostrophes. So really good. Love that. And then also the pocket cards, the 4x3 cards. I have one pack of those. Usually they just have like either a dot or a grid on the back and then these beautiful patterns on the front. So really gorgeous for your pocket scrapbooking, or you can use these as embellishment, layering, journaling on your larger scrapbook layouts. Very awesome. I like to use these for journaling myself. Like this is perfect for journaling. Love these ones that have the numbers on them. Those are always fun. And look at this cloud one, so cute. I love that. So lots of pocket cards as well, lots of 4x3 cards. So that is the Mari kit, and I am really looking forward to working with this kit. I am going to be starting to create some projects with this kit right away, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this kit. Have an amazing day, everybody. I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.